SOLIDWORKS Manage is a new package that builds on SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional by providing a set of advanced tools for managing projects, processes, and items. SOLIDWORKS Manage is easy to use and implement and provides a comprehensive solution that eliminates the need to rely on separate, disconnected programs. The project management functionality allows organizations to plan each stage of the project, assign resources and tasks, and attach any required documentation to the project. SOLIDWORKS Manage makes it easy to keep track of live projects, as whenever a user completes their task, the overall progress of the project is automatically updated. Engineering change requests and timesheet approvals and other business processes can all be integrated into SOLIDWORKS Manage and customized to meet your company standards. Workflows, process states, and decision points can all be configured with intuitive setup tools, and user tasks and notifications can also be assigned. SOLIDWORKS Manage also offers a powerful dashboard and flexible reporting functionality to provide instant access to critical business information. So, if you're looking for a data management system to deliver consistent and cohesive information to be utilized by different groups throughout your organization, then look no further than SOLIDWORKS Manage.